Look how cold it is in Chicago. It looks like a scene from the movie. There's Trump's building there. Now, I've visited Chicago before, and I remember the wind was almost unbearable. But right now, look at this. It's so cold that it's turning into what looks like a hot spring because the temperature's -7, but the water is warmer than the weather outside. That's what's so strange. So imagine how cold it is with the wind factor there in Chicago. Man, I feel so sorry for the people who are homeless in the city because you would pass away. But just take a look at some of these videos right here. I couldn't believe it. And Chicago is already a cold place. Imagine right now.